Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone you think would enjoy it. Looks like today we're doing number 310. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 6. No help here, 2, 6, 7. Same here, 2, 6, 7. For this column, we're also missing 2 and 6. And there's no help here, so 2, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 here. So 5, 9, no help here. 4, 5, 9, 4 and 9 there. That means this is our 5. That makes this our 9 and our 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 6. That means that our 8 has to be here. For this top row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. No help here, so 2, 5, 9, 5 here, so 2, 9, and no help here, 2, 5, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 6. Same thing here, 3, 5, 6. We've got a 3 and a 6 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 9. We've got the 9 covering all 3 of these boxes, so that means that our 9 has to be here. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 6. No help here, 1, 3, 6, and no help here, 1, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 and 7 here and the 8 here. So this is our 3. And again, 5 and 7 makes this our 8. I don't see any other help, so 5, 7, 5, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5, 6. No help here, 2, 3, 5, 6. 2, 5, and 6 here. Makes this our 3. No help here, so 2, 5, 6. And we can get rid of this 3 and this 3. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 6. No help here. 1, 2, 5, 6. We've got a 1 here. So 2, 5, 6. So if we look at that column, the only place our 1 can be is here. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 has to be here. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 2, 5, 6. All right, so we can get rid of this 6. This 2 and 5 makes this our 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 6. That 6 makes this our 2, 7, 6, 2, 6. And that 6 makes this our 5, 2. We can get rid of this 6. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so 5, 8, 2, 8 here, so 1, 5, 2, 8, and 5 here. Makes this our 1, 5, 8, 2, 5. Now we can get rid of this 5, this 5. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 9, 7, and 9 here. So that makes this our 3, 9, 7. 3 makes this our 6, 1. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. And then this would be our 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.